I got this, yeah.
Damn, finally, shit. It's a hella long. Motion! Oh shit. What? Five? Hey, he's going in, he's going in. I told him to tell me when there's a hitch. I did. Can't. My bad, Casey. I didn't hear it. Hey, post it. Bro, they keep doing that. You guys keep doing that, guys. It's good, Casey. It's good. Hey, they're bunched. Oh. Ow. Fucking go! Down. Say go. Hey, hey! Hey. Hey. Down. Say go. Down, say go. Oh shit. God damn, what the? Down, say go. Oh, maybe it is. Huddle. I'm a little tired. Oh yeah! Hey, he wrapped him. Is that legal? No, I'm just asking. Down. Say go. Back. How's the touchdown? Hey, it's good. Green two. Hey, should we go for two? Hey, green two. It's not touchdown. Green two. Oh, shoot. All right.
Second and go.
Yeah. Junior. Down. Say go. He took so long, bro. Hey. He was up there right here. Go for two. Yeah. Wait, they're kind of deep though. Hey, come here. They're kind of deep though. Wanna go this one? Hey. Go down the middle. All right. I'm on the post corner. Just do it on there. Okay. Down. Say go.
1, 2. What's that doing?
Hey, good shit. Casey, watch this. Motion. Hey, he's going in. Oh yeah! Down, let's go. Okay. Oh. Hey, good shit. Hey, don't get too hype. Lock it. It's good. Hey, lock in. Don't get too hype. Lock in. Don't get too hype.
Lock it.
Hey, we finna go on this one, right? All right. Hey, I'm gonna post. Yeah. Hey, Kennedy, it might be for you. Huh? Okay. Down. So go. Oh shit. Hey, my fault.
Hey, Kaysen, watch the motion.
Hey, they're gonna pick on Dylan. Hey, in. Oh shit. Fuck. It's good.
Kaysen! No, I just said it because he was coming across.
Down, so go.
Oh yeah! Let's go!
Hey, do you know the score? I wanna go already. Hey, we finna go. Hey, I'm just gonna run.
Reach. Come on, ready, wait.
Down, so go.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, good shit. How much time, ref?
Hey, play deep.
Hey, 4. Let's go 4. 10 seconds. 4. Go. Okay, just scoot over.
Hey.
Oh yeah! Let's go!
Let's go. Max, hurry, Max. I want one more play.
Caleb!
Yeah. Down. So go. You just go ahead. Your turn.
Huh? Hands up.
Oh, blue? I thought you said green. Waste time.
He said hand off.
Green 10.
Yeah. If you have to kill it. Go.
Yeah. Down, so go. Damn. Good.
Yeah.
Bluetooth.
All right.
Fake it. Down, so go.
1, 2.
First down, go first down.
Okay.
First down.
Hey, good shit.
Blue 4.
Kennedy, blue 4.
God, is it 8 bars sprinkling, bro? Y'all feel that?
Wind is pushing now.
Yeah.
Oh.
Blue 4, blue 4.
Alrighty. Dylan. Okay, never mind. Down, so go.
Hey, slowest spin move I've ever seen, guys.
Hey, come here. Come here. Who got? Wait, do I have? Who got all the bunch plays? Hey, we're gonna go. We're gonna go this one, okay? Let's go toss these. Yeah, I'm tossing it. It's just right there.
Hey, Junior.
Yeah. Down. So go. Wait. Okay. Down. Wait, we good? Down. So go.
Junior!
Oh shit, my bad. Hey, my fault. My bad.
Hey, good shit.
God damn. an ugly ass ball.
He was hella open.
I know. My bad, Kennedy. That's an ugly ball.
Well, I thought you were on the left side.
Huh?
I thought you were on the left side.
Wow, that just popped in my foot.
Shit.
Casey, you on that side?
Hey, who's on this side? I'm on this side. I'm on this side.
Oh, I'm border
Yeah,
now?
yeah.
What's that?
Yep.
Oh, shoot, I messed it up. Hey.
Yeah.
Kason, you want to play corner? Hey, after this switch. After this switch. Motion. Hey, watch the post. Watch the post.
What?
Kason, go. Go.
Yeah, try getting there, man. Yeah. Oh, shit.
All right. Kennedy, watch the post. Watch the post. Nah, it's good. It's good. Hey, never mind. No. Out. Okay, let's go. I had 3 people. I had him, and him.
Yeah.
I had someone on the right, left, and someone on the far right.
Yeah.
Second down right now. Second down. Let's go, defense! Go! Come on, boys. Katie, watch the ball.
Oh, shoot. Yeah.
Hey, yo, we can scoot back a little bit. No, because they need.
Shit.
I thought you had that. That's my bad.
But I ain't know, but I got 2 people on me. Hey, blue flag. Blue flag.
Green. No, green.
Oh, green flag?
Yeah.
Blue.
No, hey, option, watch the quick, Kennedy, do a quick snap.
Yeah, ready?
Hey, if they blitz, you can run. If they blitz, run.
Down. So go.
What does he think he
Hey,
is?
come here.
He smacked me.
Sit through.
All right. Ref, what's the time?
Green 3.
How much time we got, Marie?
Green 3.
4 minutes. 4 minutes, coach.
Waste it.
4 minutes.
Where is it?
Third down.
Look who's on me.
Yeah. Down. So go.
Hey! Oh my God. Oh, he's out of there. Hey, ref, what happened? What happened? Okay.
What's that? Good call. That's a good call.
Hey. Look. I'm finna hand it off. They playing too deep. We gonna waste time. Down. So go. Oh wait. Oh, my bad. We said. There you go.
Where's it? Hey, you're on. No, you're on.
Down. So go.
1, 2, 3.
Run it.
Alright, ready?
I'm gonna go.
Which one? Okay.
I'm gonna go.
Wait.
Third and go.
Come here. This.
140.
Down.
140.
So go.
Let's go.
Man. Really on the phone like that.
He pressing you hard.
You rode the guy. Hey, you rode the guy. He won, right?
Yeah. That's what they said. Wait, but they said I could win.
Wait, what?
Touchdown is good. Touchdown good.
Okay.
That's good.
I'll be running back. I am.
I'm gonna wait for the win.
4 minutes.
Down, so go. Oh, damn, my fault.
Oh yeah! Oh shit, that was so ugly. That shit was so ugly. That shit was so ugly.
God damn. That was an ugly ass ball. Hey, wait. That's my fault. It slipped. Yeah. Hey, watch the deep, y'all. Hey, watch the deep.
Hey.
Damn.
I need help there though, cause I had to get that shit. No. Oh yeah. Hey, good shit. Hey, let's go. Hey, good shit. Let's go. We do this.
We're fucking got it!
Let's go. Hey.
Wait. Okay, yeah. Hey. Let's go first.
I put my head up and told them crown me. My ring finger got a rock on it.